Hello friends, if you are new here, welcome to Delta Creations. If you are returning, it's so good to see you again. Just a short update on what is going on with Delta Creations. Today I am going to take you through our journey and where it all began. First, let me introduce us to you. I am Victoria and I am from South Africa. This is Chris, he is from Germany. We met online almost 3 years ago in a game called Game of Thrones Winter is Coming. I will leave a link down below for you should you be interested. Anyway, we've come a long way since then. We have been in an online relationship for little over 2 years. Yes, I know it's weird and strange and wonderful all at the same time. But the sad part is we have never met in real life. We have had daily video calls over this time. It has not always been easy and we have overcame many difficulties. And so, the time has finally come for me to go to Germany and start a new life with Chris. I will take you through the process over the next weeks and I will post my journey to Germany. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will try to answer as many questions possible. Please leave a like and subscribe, it will help our channel grow. I have started this channel a while after me and Chris met because of both our interests. But I have been a content creator since 2019. We are both, as you know, into gaming and we both enjoy miniature painting and building dioramas. My other passion is Dungeons and Dragons and Chris loves Warhammer. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. But enough about that now, let me tell you about the progress and planning so far. So, most of the planning is done. How, where, when and so forth. Transport and airport have been decided. And I have planned and decided what stays and what goes. And the plan of action is in place. I have made an appointment for my visa so far, which is next week. And I will book the flight also next week. All necessary documents will be ready by the time I post this video. I am so excited. I hope all goes well. So until next week friends, stay safe and thanks for watching.